Hello, today I'm in Toyota RAV4. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable front wipers. In the beginning, take a look behind the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. As you can see on the scheme, we can enable front wipers once by pushing the lever upwards. We can enable it in auto position by pulling it once downwards. Auto position can be also adjusted on this part of the lever. If you pull it downwards again, you will use slow mode and again fast mode. Set it to 0 position or auto to disable front wipers. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.